Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I thought it would be fun to share another updated sticker organization video. Now I have one up fairly recently on my channel, but over the last couple of weeks I discovered the half letter disc bound system for sticker storage through CricketPaper Co. So over at their shop, they shared these sticker books. This is actually what it looks like on its original discs. And one, I was instantly excited by like the super basic Ray Dunn inspired font that is used on the cover. I really just like the simplicity of it. I was like, that's really cool. She has some other covers as well over on their website, and I just really like this one. I also like the fact that dividers were included, I believe. I just ordered 2 more, so I believe mine came with the dividers. So I think that's included in the cost. They're about $25, but include a variety of sticker storage sheets as well. Now, I have commented on their content over on Instagram and kind of begged that they would just sell the refills for these. As far as I could tell on the website most recently, the refills are not available, so you are kind of, the option is just to buy the books. I don't know of any other shop that sells the half letter size. I see the ones that sell the next size down, so like one less disc, and this is what I started in, right? It's from Poi and Hun. Love it, but it was just one size too small for what I needed, so I wanted to upgrade to this because lately my goal has been to just sort of streamline everything, right? From planning to storage. I recently went through all of my stuff in my office, and I was just finding stuff, and I was kind of annoyed with myself because I was like, I'm so unorganized, it's embarrassing, and I wanted to find a way to not be that way, essentially. So I ordered an additional 2 more of these to sort of combine them. As you can see, one is much thicker than the other, but let's take a look at these. So let's start with the smaller one. I'm eventually going to upgrade or upsize these discs because the ones that they come with don't leave a lot of room for growth. So, and Lord knows I have enough stickers. So in this first one, this is where I started off with like monthly kits, weekly kits, daily, and like journaling kits and other miscellaneous stuff. This one isn't quite as full as I would like it to be because I need to go through other stickers, purge what I'm not using, and go from there. So first up, I love the dividers. It's like that frosted, super thick vellum. I've got like a sticker stuck to my finger, and I just used my label maker to put a clear with white print label on it because I just like the overall look. So the first section is monthly. So I've got some kits from like the planner spot in here. In fact, my November one just came in the mail yesterday. So as you can see, these document protectors or these sheet protectors are thick enough and big enough to fit this type of sheet, but I'll show you some different sizes that it can fit as well. So these are just like one long sleeve there. And so I've got my monthly ones. And then I go into the weekly view. So I do have some Planner Kate stickers in here, but I want to preface that I cut off the top of my sheets to make them fit, and I was perfectly okay with that. The sheet goes in the trash eventually, so I was like, that's not a problem for me. So just know that for the half letter size, her sheets are a little bit too tall, but obviously she includes a lot of stuff on her stickers. And I don't know about you guys, but you don't necessarily need like the logo at the top, right? So it fits perfectly fine if you just cut the part off with her logo and you are good to go. It slides right in. I fit quite a bit in here, like in between the 2 sheets, and these are side loading along the discs, which is perfect because your things will not fall out. But in between the 2 sheets is where I have her add-ons in here, and so that's where those kind of live, which I kind of have a really deep love for that and the way that that worked out with organizing these. Not that you can't do this on a binder system, but I just really really like how this worked out and how the sheets looked organized in here. It's just, there's something about it when you have an organization system that really works. It just makes you so excited. So there I am. I've got a couple of her kits in here. I honestly, this is all I have left for fall kits. So I was like, whoa, I should probably place an order. And I haven't ordered too much for like the month of November. So again, I'm in this period where I'm trying to just use what I have and take what I have and make it organized. I have words and I'm just having difficulty with them. But anyway, I want to use what I have, but I also need systems in place to be able to use what I have, right? Like if I just got all my stickers and threw them in a shoebox when they got here, I wouldn't know where to find things. I mean, I'd know that they're in the box, but I wouldn't have any way to know where to find them. So I've just got some extra sheets in here just so that I can add a few more kits. And one of the things I know that I will get asked is, do Chrissy Ann Designs sheets fit in here? And my best answer for that is no, but yes. So Kristen sells 2 variations of her sheets, and I just have this sheet from Go Wild. That was a swag item from Cindy at Llama Letters. So this sheet, an unpunched sheet, will fit. So it really depends on what you're ordering from Chrissy Ann Designs. But this, like this, if you get her unpunched sheets, or the sheets without the binder option, they will fit just fine in here, but the other ones are a little bit too big, I think. Let me get one that actually has the punch. Actually, surprise, surprise, look what happens when you actually check your facts, right? I actually think it's going to fit. Oh, it does fit. It actually fits perfectly fine. It's not really like hitting, it's literally like, it's not even interrupting the turning of the page. That's interesting. But it still makes me want to cut that off. I'm not going to lie. But, okay, well, that's good to know because you can, I can add my Chrissy Ann Design sheets in here. But the ones that are unpunched fit even better. So, that is awesome. Oh my goodness. Okay. I should have checked that first. Okay, so that's what I have for the kits. And then I do have some Hobonichi Cousin kits in here from Virgo and Paper. And then some from Let's Planet that are kind of like, I held on to like the leftovers because I know that I want to use them on my daily pages. I didn't want to just like throw this out because there's still a lot of useful stickers on there. So the next section is daily, and I honestly think that I have discs where these pages will stay on a little bit better. Not that these discs are awful, but not all discs are created equal. So I have noticed that when I turn, sometimes they do kind of come off the disc, but not that big of a deal. It's plastic, so it's not like it's going to rip apart. So again, I did the same thing with the Planner Kate daily sheets. I cut the top off. Everything else just kind of fits in there fairly easily without any issues. So again, if it really bothers you to cut off the top of the sheet, this system might not be for you, but for me, I was like, that sheet, that leftover part always ends up in the trash anyway, so no big deal. And again, I just have some additional sheets in here to add to it. Next section is my journaling kits, which I use for, again, a lot in my Hobonichi Cousin or on daily pages, journaling pages, things like that. So I've got like quite a bit of Nicole Hutch designs. If you watched my haul video, then these will look very familiar to you, but that's how those fit. So I kind of, that was also another purpose of sharing this, is so that you guys could see what size sheets fit in here in case you shop at the same places. And then again, just a ton more extra because I ordered a couple extra storage binders. So the last section is miscellaneous, and right now I just have these from my recent order from Virgo and Paper because again, I don't really order a lot of these types of sheets anymore just because you have to order so many separate sheets, whereas I'm just kind of ordering what I need for these. I'm not going to order a ton of individual or one type sheets, if you will. So there is that book. And again, just have a few extras in here. I really, really like this a lot. It's only been, it's like, these are very staticky, I will say that. Like, I think that was just one of my hairs on my desk, but there it is. I really, really love this, but I know that probably even before a week is over, I'm going to change out these discs. All right, let's look at the one that's a little bit more chunky. So I had some extra discs laying around. I want to say that these are from Cloth and Paper. I'm not 100% sure, but you can get discs pretty much anywhere. All right, so in here I've got a little envelope from the Planner Spot, and it has some samples. My friend Carla, sweetest person ever, sent me over samples of some of her Coffee Monsters Co. washi, and that's where I'm going to keep it. And now I'm too scared to even use these because I really don't have a whole lot of the Coffee Monsters Co. washi, and every time I go look, they're sold out. So I am too nervous to even use these, but they look really cute in the front envelope of this. But that is from the Planner Spot. And then I do have one of the smaller sheets from my Poi and Hun binder in here. This one that I mentioned earlier. I have these and it just has some smaller sheets in it. And that's the great thing about the disc system, is that you can kind of interchange the pages. Like I can put the smaller pages in a bigger system. So that's pretty cool. All right, the first section, I just put script here, but it has, and these are the 2-page protectors, or the 2-compartment protectors. So it has, like, I have some additional tabs that I purchased for my Hobonichi cousin, so I have those in here, and then just some Nicole Hutch designs for smaller sheets with the script stickers on there that are all like neutral vibes kind of thing. As you can see, I really like them. Some of these could probably be combined, but you know. Next section is boxes, and I literally made this for the planner spot stickers because they're gorgeous, and they sell these boxes here that you can use pretty much in any planner, and they're just stunning, and I can't wait to use them in my planner. Next is, I put covers, and I really should have put headers, but like they're the date header types of things. I have some from the Planner Spot in here. I have some from Planner Monkey Co. Now this is another shop where I had to cut off the logo at the top here, but I stuck it to the back because I wanted to remember where they were from. I didn't want like months later to be like, wait, who made these? Because I absolutely love these so much, and she's currently like on vacation, and I was like, I should have ordered more. But they're perfect. I've also got some from Nicole Hutch Designs, and then some from some monthly script stickers or header labels, whatever you want to use these for, from the Planner Spot, some holidays, some more date covers there. Next is the icon section, but don't ask me how this got here. I think it needed a home, and I just popped it in here, and that's kind of one of the great things, right, is like I don't really want this here, so I can just take it out and move it to another section in my system when I'm ready, instead of constantly having to open rings all the time. Also, like the variation of pages can change as I need, right? So you can have the 2-pocket, and then a 1-pocket, and then a 4-pocket. It just, you know, very customizable this way. All right, so I do have varying icons, teardrops and dewdrops, or whatever we're calling them these days, from Sweet Caress. A lot of stuff from Sweet Caress because I am obsessed. And I've been purchasing from them for like 2 years now, but recently purchased a bunch more because, again, it goes well in the current planning system that I'm in. There's a lot of different icons. There's also some from Catherine Rose. She's a new shop that her icons are amazing. Definitely check her out. More from Sweet Caress. I love these. More from Catherine Rose. I didn't really separate these things by shop because I was like, that's way too much for me, but that's what is all in this section here. And then I've got some from Lotus Paper Co. Her sheets literally fit perfect in here, like as far as like filling up this space, which is pretty awesome. And then I've got some, I couldn't figure out where to put these, so they just kind of ended up in this section, but these stickers are from Randy Dot Plans. They are amazing. Like her, I have to show you guys, her script stickers. And I believe that these are in her handwriting, so her personal font. So it's like writing with the outline around it. So I purchased quite a few of those, and she just had a new release. And I've got a cart full of stuff, but I'm trying to make good financial decisions. And this community makes it hard. But that's what I've got in here. I've got a couple of those that I purchased, I want to say 2-3 months ago. And now I'm like, oh, how did these get in this section? I think these actually were meant to go back here. See how easy that is, and then now they can all be together. Not sure how the divider got in there, but I've got a couple more here, and then a couple of just empty 2-pocket storage pages. And then in this miscellaneous section, I have some check boxes from Nicole Hutch Designs, some full boxes, fun letter boards from Let's Plan It, some script stickers, more check boxes, and then some more other random boxes here, which probably needs to go in the other book. But again, it's so easy because I can just take this out and move it to that one. Okay, so that is it for this updated version of my sticker organization. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this today. Let me know if you have any questions at all, or if you have any tips, or if you know where I can get the refill pages for this size of book, because I love this so much. I actually have another one empty and ready to go. I literally purchased it just so that I could use the storage pages that were inside and add them to these two books. So I'm just excited to keep expanding on this type of sticker storage because it's really working. I have found that I'm finding my stickers a lot easier. So again, going back to the using what I have, because it's organized in a way that doesn't frustrate me. So far this is really working, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts down in the comments. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me. I do greatly appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.